Everyone, welcome to the new Virtual Learning Commons. Are you creative and like to learn new things? Do you like to draw, to write, to read, or are you just really interested in gaming? Perhaps Minecraft is something that you like to play. Do you want to learn more about these things? Do you want to try and experiment? Well, check out our new virtual makerspace. It's up here in the top menu bar. When you come to the new virtual makerspace, you will find two sections. The first section is about writing and reading. You'll find book recommendations, examples of student work, as well as a writer's toolkit that will give you examples of how you can get started in your story writing. And although people don't like grammar, it's an essential part of learning how to write really well. So check that out as well. There's online communities and so much more. If you like to write, or if you like to read, or maybe if you just want to draw, check out this page. I think you'll find it interesting. The other section of interest is tech builders. This will give you examples of work that students are doing across the board. There's all kinds of innovation in creating. Did you know that the Almont District High School has an amazing makerspace? Look at their 3D printers. You can learn skills too. Check out coding, building, and 3D drawing. There's all kinds of resources right here. There's even summer camps you can go to. Make sure you don't miss out. Try out this section. If you want more information, talk to your LCI. They'll be sure to help you. Out for now.